In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Ikea credit card account online. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type Ikea credit card login and press enter. This is a quick, reliable way to get to the official login page without typing a long web address. On the results page, look for the link that says Ikea credit card, manage your account. It's usually hosted by the card issuer, which for IKEA credit cards is Synchrony Bank. The page should look professional and secure. Click that result to continue. Once the page opens, you'll see options to manage different IKEA credit cards. Select your card from the list. For this walkthrough, we'll choose the IKEA Project credit card. Go ahead and click it. Give the page a moment to load. Depending on your connection, it may take a few seconds, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. After that, click on the Sign In option. This will take you to the secure sign-in page. Here, type your username and your password carefully in the appropriate fields. Make sure caps lock isn't turned on, since passwords are case sensitive. It's a good idea to verify you're on a secure page by checking that the web address begins with HTTPS and that there's a lock icon in the address bar. For your privacy, avoid signing in on public or shared computers when possible. If you don't have an online account yet, just click on Register Now. That link will guide you through setting up online access for your IKEA credit card. You'll be prompted for the information needed to create your login, and once you've finished, you can come back to the sign-in page to access your account in the future. When your username and password are entered, wait a moment for the system to process your details and load your account. If the page takes longer than expected, be patient and give it a few seconds. If you run into issues, double check your entries for typos and ensure your internet connection is stable. That's it. You search for the IKEA credit card login on Google, open the Manage Your Account page, selected the IKEA Project credit card, clicked Sign In, entered your username and password, and you're ready to access your account. For faster access next time, you can bookmark the login page in your browser so you can get back to it with one click. Thanks for watching.